So the next thing is, and I'm going to dive into this in more detail in the question. If you don't like something that AI has put together for you, then just change it. Okay, so let's dive into that, because I'm going to dive into that question. So the question really is, what do you do when you don't like the outline that it has generated for you? Okay, so this video, this podcast, and whatever I'm sharing here today is a great example, because when I sat down, I did let it just go and generate the outline for me. But when I sat down the next day and before I sat down to video this, it didn't really cover what I wanted it to say. So I just changed it. I changed the whole entire outline so that it would just, so that what I'm saying is more in line with what I believe, what I teach, what I do in my business. So, it's great. Let it generate the outline. I say walk away, then the next day come back and look at your script, look at your outline, and don't be afraid to change it. Okay? So it's just there for suggestions for you.